Hi everyone, today we're going to look at a programming problem and I'm going to share with you my approach to solving the problem. I will be using Java as my programming language of choice. Okay, here is the problem. A computer program stores a computer's bank balance. This is displayed when the program is run. The program asks the user how much money he or she would like to withdraw. If the amount is less than or equal to $200, and less than or equal to the account balance, the amount is deducted from the balance and the new balance is displayed. Otherwise, an appropriate message is displayed. Okay, so this is a typical kind of ATM scenario. We have a customer who has a bank account, and then there is a sum of money, there is a balance in the account. The program asks the user how much money they would like to withdraw, and if the user withdraws a reasonable amount, so it's got to be at least less than or equal to the bank balance and less than or equal to $200, then they will get their money and the account is updated. What I did was I just went into my drawing package. I'm using Illustrator, and I just drew very quickly an algorithm. I put it in flowchart fashion to represent the problem. So what my computer program is going to set the initial balance of the account. We're going to ask for and get a withdrawal amount, and then we're just going to test the amount. Is the withdrawal less than or equal to $200, and is the withdrawal less than or equal to the bank balance? And if that's true, let's go down this chain here. We're going to update the balance and display the new balance, and if it's false, we're going to display an appropriate message. Okay, so this is really helping me to consider my approach to the solution. Alright, let's get back to programming. So I'm going to create a variable called balance, which is going to store the initial balance of the account. Let's say I've got $1,000 in my account. I'm feeling rich today. What's next? We set the initial balance and we ask for and get a withdrawal. So I am going to need a scanner variable, so I'm just very quickly going to import the scanner class. I'm just going to import everything that Java will offer me. Let's just set up a scanner variable so I can get some input from the keyboard. And I've set a balance, and now I'm just going to prompt for a withdrawal. In fact, the program does say that the computer program stores a customer's bank balance and it displays it. So let's just display it as well. Since I'm going to print ln, your current balance is balance. Let's just leave it like that for the moment. That's fine. We'll stick a $sign in to make it reasonable. So we're displaying the current balance, and then we're going to ask for some input. How much money would you like to withdraw? And we're going to get a value, and let's take it as an integer. I'm just going to call it withdraw is equal to my scanner variable, and I'm going to use the next int method of the scanner class. So we're setting the initial balance, we're just displaying the result of that, and now we're asking for a number and we're getting a number. Now we're going to test this number. Okay, if the amount is less than or equal to 200 and less than or equal to the account balance. So let's just sort that out. If this value, withdraw, is less than or equal to 200 and withdraw is less than or equal to the balance of the account, which is this variable here, So that's the condition that we're trying to satisfy in my computer program. If the amount that the customer wants to withdraw is less than or equal to $200 and it's less than or equal to what's already available in the account, then we will update the balance. We're going to deduct the amount from the balance, right? So we're updating balance. So balance, the new value of balance is going to be equal to the current value of balance minus the amount that we want to withdraw. And we'll also do a system.out.print. Please take your money. Please take your money. Your new balance is, and we'll just display the balance that we've just updated. Alright. Now if the amount of money that the user wants to take out of their account is less than or equal to 200 and it's less than or equal to the current balance of the account, we're going to do these two things. Else, if that condition is not true, if I enter 500, it's not going to let me do this. And if I enter 2000, then it's not going to let me do it. This is my AND condition. So if I try to enter an invalid number, I'm just going to tell the user that they can't do it. The amount is invalid. Try again. So that's, and then let's just end the program, just so that we know that everything's finished as we expected to. I'll do a println just because that's my crazy habit. Okay, so that's my computer program. We store a balance. We ask for how much the user wants to withdraw, and we get, sorry, that's that line there. We get that amount, and then we just test the amount with an AND condition, because two conditions need to be satisfied in this if statement. So that's where we're using the AND. And if this condition is true, we will update the balance and just display a message. And if it's not true, we're just going to display a message. So let's test this and see if it works. I'm just going to run this program. If I can run the program, how do I run this program? Aha, I know what I've done wrong. Run. Your current balance is $1,000. How much would you like to withdraw? So I'm going to withdraw $10. So that satisfies this condition, okay? $10 is less than 200 and it's less than 1,000. So this is true. So hopefully it will allow me to update my account. Please take your money. Your new balance is $990. And so I've just taken out $10 from my account. Let's just run this again. We're going to test it completely. I'm going to try and withdraw $500. So I'm going to try to withdraw $500 from my account. So this amount is, this condition here is going to be false, right? The amount is invalid. Try again. And let's run it again. How much money would you like to withdraw? This time I'm going to try to withdraw $2,000. The amount is invalid. Try again. Let's just change the balance. I'm going to change this to $50. So this time I've got $50 in my account, and let's run the program. Your current balance is $50. How much would you like to withdraw? I'd like to withdraw 120. Now 120 is less than or equal to 200. That's true. True. But 120 is greater than 50. So this condition here is false, and this AND here is helping me to manage this. So hopefully
the amount is invalid. Try again.
And that's it. Thank you very much.